Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation bar you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then just tap on the button with the square icon, and thanks to this you will open the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of slowly. And right now we can release the finger, and as you can see right here, we've got all previously opened apps. So of course, if you want, you can close only one of it or 2 of them. Just find it. For example, let's pretend I want to turn off the wallpaper section and the settings. So all we have to do is to simply swipe to the right or to the left. And if you'd like to close all of them with only one click, just tap on this X button in the middle. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we successfully closed all background tabs. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.